at this packaging. It's so cute. The packaging is so cute. I like how it came. Here we have Girlylashes. Oh, they look so good. These are beautiful. Do y'all see this? Yeah, okay. I like how this came with it. And it came with a bobby pin that says boss. Yo, this is dope. Do y'all see this? Hold on, let me focus my camera. Look, it says, and the lashes. Do y'all see that? Guys, y'all need to follow her at C. And it's called Girlylashes. You guys, the packaging is absolutely cute. I like what all it comes with because this is bomb. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. But today, I'm going to be reviewing these lashes. What it came with the bobby pin, and it came with the tweezers. Okay, I hope you guys can see me. Yeah, you can see. And I'm just gonna like put them on my eyes to like how much I need to cut. My bonding glue, because we need that, sis. I always use the end of a bobby pin because I don't like a lot of glue on this lash thing. Okay. Baby. On to the other side. This is how you look. I love them. It's time for me to review Girlylashes on me. I absolutely love them. I'm going to be putting everything in the description box, and I'm going to be putting the link to her social medias down below in my description box. So if you want some of these beautiful lashes, make sure to click that description box and click the links that's in there. But they're called Girlylashes. She has different kinds. Make sure y'all go shop. We're all not doing nothing on this quarantine, so we want some lashes for the summertime. Go get you some.